Good afternoon, guys. This is Bob McIntosh with MarineMax in beautiful sunny Naples, Florida. And today we're going to take a look at Boston Whaler's 32 Vantage. This particular one is powered by twin Mercury V8 Verado outboards. Let's jump on board and have a look around. So, starting in the aft cockpit, along the transom, we have a fold-down, 3-wide bench seat. As we move forward, we have opposing seating with a table that can go in the middle. This seat's a bit of a convertible. What we can do is drop the backrest back and down, turn it into either a forward-facing lounger or an aft-facing lounger. Now, underneath this seat is dry, dedicated storage for fenders, life jackets, dock lines. To the starboard side, we have a full prep station with a standard live well and freshwater sink. In this area, if you choose to, we can do an electric grill as well as a 12-volt refrigerator. Moving forward, we have a high-low captain seat with a fold-up bolster, joystick propulsion, digital throttle and shift, power steering, and twin 12-inch Raymarine displays. As we move forward, we have a sit-down head with freshwater sink, vacuum flush, and overboard discharge. And as we move to my favorite part of this boat, the bow, you'll notice on the starboard side we have single-wide seating. On the port side, double-wide seating with cup holders, control of the radio, and charging receptacles for phones and tablets. And at the bow, when we have this boat on the beach, we have a ladder that we can deploy for boarding and exiting. And that's a brief look at Boston Whaler's 2022 32 Vantage. If you'd like a more in-depth tour, give me a call. Again, this is Bob McIntosh. Best way to reach me is at 215-501